While frozen foods can be convenient and have their benefits, there are some potential unexpected side effects associated with their consumption. Here are a few possible considerations. Nutrient loss. Freezing can cause some loss of nutrients in certain foods. The freezing and thawing process can lead to degradation or breakdown of certain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and B vitamins. However, the extent of nutrient loss can vary depending on the food and freezing methods used. Texture changes. Freezing and thawing can affect the texture of certain foods. Some foods, particularly fruits and vegetables, may become softer or mushier after being frozen and thawed. This texture change can be undesirable for some individuals. Flavor alteration. Freezing can sometimes affect the taste and flavor of foods. Certain foods may lose some of their original taste or develop a slightly different flavor after being frozen and thawed. Loss of freshness. While freezing can help preserve the quality of certain foods, it's important to note that they may not taste as fresh as their freshly prepared counterparts. Some foods may have a different mouthfeel or lack the same level of freshness after being frozen. Potential for freezer burn. Freezer burn can occur when food is not properly packaged or sealed, causing dehydration and oxidation. It can lead to a dry, tough texture and an off flavor in the affected areas of the food. Sodium and additive content. Some frozen foods, particularly processed or pre-packaged options, may have a higher sodium or additive content compared to fresh alternatives. It's important to read labels and choose frozen options with lower sodium levels and minimal additives. Environmental concerns. While not a direct side effect on health, the packaging and energy usage associated with frozen foods can have environmental impacts. Excessive reliance on single-use packaging or high energy consumption for freezing and storage can contribute to environmental concerns. To minimize the potential side effects of frozen foods, consider the following tips. Choose whole foods. Opt for frozen fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood that are minimally processed and free of added sauces, seasonings, or preservatives. Whole foods generally retain more nutrients and have fewer additives compared to heavily processed options. Look for options with simple, recognizable ingredients and lower sodium content. Avoid products with excessive additives or artificial ingredients. Pay attention to packaging. Ensure that the packaging of frozen foods is intact and free from damage. Avoid purchasing products with signs of frost or ice crystals, as this can indicate fluctuations in temperature during storage or potential freezer burn. Proper storage. Follow the storage instructions provided on the packaging. Maintain a consistently cold temperature in your freezer, ideally 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below, to help preserve the quality of frozen foods. Ensure that foods are sealed tightly to prevent air exposure, which can lead to freezer burn. Consider using airtight containers or freezer-safe bags for storing homemade frozen meals. Rotate stock. Practice the first in, first out rule by using older frozen items before newer ones. This helps ensure that foods are consumed within their recommended storage periods. Supplement with fresh foods. While frozen foods can be convenient, try to incorporate fresh fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods into your diet as well. Combining fresh and frozen options can provide a balance between convenience and optimal nutrition. Cook properly. Follow the recommended cooking instructions for frozen foods. This helps ensure that they are thoroughly heated, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. DIY frozen meals. Consider preparing and freezing your own meals using fresh ingredients. This gives you control over the quality of ingredients, nutrient content, and portion sizes. Balance your diet. Use frozen foods as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fresh, whole foods. Prioritize consuming a range of nutrient-dense options to ensure you're getting a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By following these tips, you can minimize potential side effects and make informed choices when incorporating frozen foods into your meals. I hope you find this video useful and you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.